Welcome back to my YouTube channel RS Creation World. Today video is about front office department in hotel, major section of front office department and their job and responsibilities, and future for the front office department, salary and scope. What is front office department? Most important department in the hotel, nerve for the hotel operation, first interface between hotel and its guests. It's called front office department. Major section of front office department and its jobs and responsibility. Reservation. This section is the nerve center of the department. All requests of room reservation are received and processed by this section. Requests of the reservation may come from different modes: letter, fax, telephone, personally, emails or website. This section is handled by the reservation manager and reservation assistant. Reception. Reception deals with daily arrival and departure of the guest, blocking of rooms for accepted arrival in the advance, to fulfill all the necessary details in the guest registration card for confirmed reservation, receiving and welcoming the guest, to keep a track on room status, to help the guest in filling of GRC. Registration. Registration of the guest is the one of the most important process of check-in activity. It is a mandatory requirement that all guests above 16 years, whether ordinary or VIP, Indians or foreigner, all must fill up GRC. The form should be duly filled and signed by the guests, those who are staying in the hotel. For foreigner guests, C form must be filled compulsory. Bell desk is an external arm of front desk. There are many activities at the time of arrival, during stay and the time of departure of guest, which cannot out of front desk but are to be carried out essential in order to provide service to the guest. As the name suggests, a small desk in the lobby near the main entrance of the hotel. Concierge. It is a French word. It means doorkeeper or porter. The desk located in the lobby. It is an external arm of information counter providing personal service to the guest. In hotel, a concierge assists guests by performing various tasks such as making restaurant reservation, booking hotels, arranging for spa service and more. Lobby area. Hotel lobby represents the atmosphere, decor, staff and the image of the hotel when a guest visits. Well-furnished sitting arrangement. Lobby is the waiting area of the hotel. Lobby are included bell desk, table counter, cashier, elevator, etc. This cashier, he or she is responsible to post all guest charges and credits into their respected folios, settle all guest bills during guest departure, and cash foreign exchange as per regulation, distribute petty cash to the hotel staff and authorize payouts, to maintain records and prepare cashier report. Telephone operator, to attend all incoming and outgoing calls of the hotel, to give wake-up call to the guest, to take guest messages and to inform reception, to handle any kind of emergency situation. Business center. This is a guest area where secretarial assistance to the guest for conducting conference, seminar, interviews is being offered to the guest. All necessary equipment, fax, telephones, internet facility, photocopying, all are available in the business center. Night auditor. It is the process of auditing where the night auditor review all financial activities of the hotel that has been taken place in one day, to reconcile all revenue statement, to verify and validate front office voucher and form, to check guest folios, to prepare daily transaction slip. If you are working for this department, you have a great future. You have a various option after getting experience in this department. You can join for airlines, you can work for KrisLiner, or otherwise you can work for any company as a cashier or receptionist. If you work in our country, your minimum salary will be 12 to 15,000 plus service charges. If you work for abroad, your salary will be 30 to 40,000 plus service charges. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates.